Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Personal Finance. Today, I'm going to show you how to make real money with an email list. Even if you're just starting out, this strategy works in 2025 and beyond. No fluff, no spam, just results. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build a list, what to send, and how to turn it into income. Let's go. First, pick a topic people care about, something that solves a problem or helps them reach a goal. It could be fitness for busy moms, side hustles with AI, skincare for men. The key is to be specific. Riches are in the niches. Next, offer a freebie in exchange for someone's email. Examples: a checklist, 5 mistakes people make with their money, a mini guide, how to make $200 a day, a free tool, cheat sheet, or short ebook. This is called a lead magnet. You can create one in Google Docs or Canva, then turn it into a downloadable PDF. Use a free tool like MailerLite, ConvertKit, or Beehive to set up your landing page and start collecting emails. Now build a basic email sequence. This is where the money comes in. Here's an example of a 3 email funnel. Email 1, instant, deliver the freebie and thank them. Email 2, day 2, share your story or results. Email 3, day 3, promote your product or affiliate offer. You can keep adding emails that educate and sell. Think of it like giving value first, then making a soft pitch. Now that you have a lead magnet and emails ready, drive traffic to it. Promote your freebie on your YouTube videos, put the link in the description, your Instagram bio or Facebook page, TikTok, Pinterest, Reddit, or forums. The goal: get as many targeted people onto your list as possible. Once people are opening your emails, it's time to make money. Sell your own product. Ebook, course, membership, consultation. Promote affiliate products. Tools, Amazon finds, digital courses. Offer a paid newsletter. Bonus tips or VIP only content. Upsell or cross-sell. For example, thanks for buying my ebook. Want one-on-one help for $49? The key: stay helpful, not pushy. Let's recap. Pick a niche and create a freebie. Collect emails using a free tool. Send valuable content and offers. Promote everywhere. Monetize with products or affiliate links. Your email list is your direct money machine. No algorithms, no ads, just pure profit. Well, that's it for now. Hit that subscribe button for more money tips. Thanks for watching. Now go build your list and start earning.